What's up, guys? So we got the new Shendrones Geyser build. She's so pretty. I 3D printed all the ducts and the mounts. Got a GoPro mount, holds in like that. I do need to make a case for the GoPro. That would definitely help it from getting bruised up. Got crossfire hooked up in the back. We got a Maytech buzzer LED system, XT60, and then we're running some Gemfan 40-45 props cut down so they fit inside here. Ends up being like 3.5 or 3.25 inch props. Need to get some grip because this foam sucks. It does not hold the battery for nothing. It's too slippery. And then I don't know, you really can't see much in there, but we got a 60x4 amp ESC, or a 60x4 ESC. It's a bit overkill, but overkill's always good. And then we're running a CL Racing F7 flight controller. And then I'm also running, you can't really see it, but I'm also running the new Immersion Nano VTX. It rocks. Really good video reception on 200 milliwatts. So yeah. Oh yeah, and then I'm running the Foxeer toothless cam, solid camera all around. So yeah, here's some flight footage. Nothing too fancy. I'm just in a field, but you'll get to see how smooth it is at least. So here we go.